Hello, everyone. This is Steve from True Market Finance. Um, Today, we're going to do a quick little video on our stock of the day. Stock of the day is going to be O'Reilly Auto Parts with your ticker symbol ORLY. And I picked that stock because it's has been doing a lot of good things again. Into the stock itself is starting in a monthly chart like we always want to do, guys. We want to look at a chart and look out and see what the big picture is doing. And for you long-term investors, look at this chart, guys. Across 250 is above the 200-day moving average, and this stock has been on a tear for years. So all these times, say you got back here, bought here, bought there, bought there, bought there, and you just set it and forget. Unless for some reason, this hadn't put pulling back like it did here. On the 50-day moving average. And again, on these guys here, you can do, you could sell calls against it if you want to do that, or you could buy a put on those sections too. And that would cover your cost that you would lose on that. So then you're all the time you are cruising along. So that you don't, that's for the people that you don't want to look at your charts like every single day kind of thing. You just want to look at them every once in a while. Your life's busy and everything else. That's why a lot of times you hire a financial advisor. But I'm trying to help you do a lot of things for yourself. See what we're looking at, and figure out how to diversify and things like that in our portfolios. That way we cover ourselves along the way. So if we then obtain this back to the weekly chart, again, we're seeing, as we saw in the monthly chart, we're also seeing here in the weekly chart that we are on an uptrend. And again, you could do the same thing here with the long-term investor. On these pullbacks, you could do little puts if you want to, or just leave it at that. With your portfolio being diversified with a lot of different stocks and such, that will help in the process of just balancing your account anyway on these little pullbacks. In the daily chart, we're doing the same thing. That's why we picked this. We're above the 50-day on the stock. The 50 is above the 200-day, which we would like for a good uptrend. If you guys are going to short, this would be the opposite. So the 50-day would be below the 200-day, and you'd be watching it go down here for a short position if you are short traders. You do the same thing. I thought maybe not. I was gonna say I thought O'Reilly they had a dividend as well, but they don't. But this is one of those stocks that I wanted to pull out to you guys and show you that we are doing for a stock of the day, because it just shows a lot of good things for us. So I wanted to bring that up with you guys. I don't know why that's not bumping over here to the 4-hour for me. Try to do this again. There we go. So we're doing a little bit pullback today. The market itself all today has been kind of crazy. So I don't find that too nuts. Even the Bitcoin today is down a little bit. It's doing a little pullback, which that's fine. These are just, I look at them as buying opportunities. So when I'm ready for those funds in the future, we're getting at better prices all the time. And come Friday, I'm going to be putting more money into Bitcoin again. So that works for me. And that's what we do. We diversify things. This is again, it's 4-hour chart. So this past, for 8 hours, so literally today, I guess, just been doing a little pullback. Oh, well, and so we want those all the time. We go up, pull back, up. Now we're doing a little pullback, and then we wait it out, and then catch it for the next run. 4-hour, I find, I like staying the monthly, weekly, dailies, but when I'm going into position, I like to see where the market's going. If it's pulling back like this, just wait it out, wait till it, decides to go in our favor. Then we again put our limit order in, and then you'll have even now a smaller, like here you would put did a pullback here, then you put a limit order above. Look at the tiny little stop you're doing here. You're just doing a little stop below where it's kind of bottoming out here. So you're only losing a few dollars. And again, guys, if it comes out here and takes off and then comes down here and stops you out, don't chase it. Leave it alone and just, go find another stock. Just let it do its thing until it's ready to, go in your favor, and then do it again. Limit order and put a stop in there all the time, guys. Cover your butt, cover your portfolio, and you only use like 0.5% to 1% of your portfolio. Don't go any more than that. And again, doesn't matter, people, $1 million or $100, 1%, 0.5% is same on both sides. Doesn't change anything. So don't worry about your count, and just slowly build it that way if you have a small count, and go from there. And again, we want to hold on a sec. So then again, we want to go into our indexes on investing.com, which is what we like to do a lot of times. And then I'll go in here, technical. And this is again what we're doing, guys. We want to fall in. So we still got construction and a strong buy across them. And then we got silver and strong buy. Interesting. Defense, software, and then we can go into these guys and try and find, through the stock. And that's how we diversify our portfolio with the strong buys. And we can even buy the actual, if you don't want to do a whole lot, just buy the actual index, guys. Just buy this index, buy this index, buy this, and then you just diversify it. Look at the chart first, go by this, but look at your chart, because you might be doing a little bit of a pullback, and then get ready to go into the stop with your limit and stop orders, and then just let it ride from there. And then you just add to your positions along the way. But anyway, that's our stock of the day. Is O'Reilly. I wanted to throw that out to you guys. And I hope that helps you guys along for today. If you're looking for a stock and you're thinking about something, that's something we're looking at for the stock of the day. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Share this YouTube channel with your friends. Subscribe to the channel so every time we throw out a new video or podcast, you get it. And throw out your comments. We're always here to try to help you and help each other. That's why I'm trying to create that atmosphere of sitting on a couch and just talking stocks with everybody and having fun, having a beer, having a glass of wine, enjoying ourselves. And or if you're listening to podcasts, driving down the road, on the way to work, you can be inspired and to get a little helping hand along the way in creating like a passive income and a little nest egg for our retirement in the future, so that we have something to show for all our hard work that we do every single day. And we want to be here to help you protect that in any way possible. Nothing is ever guaranteed in the stock market. That's why we're here to kind of help each other stay safe and the best of our ability, so we don't take as many down days as we take up. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you have a great day. And again, subscribe and comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.